You got it? Yeah.
It's okay, we'll go to Mansburg Reservoir and fill it up over.
How are you?
What's up, brother?
Not much. Hey, I heard that the other guys messed up your thing here, right?
Nah, they
Listen.
fucking did that. You got a gasoline in the match and you fucking still do everything.
Yeah, it's a 6-inch. She's right there.
Yeah.
So if you look at the angle that it's standing at,
It's where the orange mark is.
it's literally where the orange mark is.
The line of the building, the corner.
Yeah. Okay, so why don't you start digging around the gas main with the shovel carefully, going down that stack so we can see it visually, and I'm gonna bring the machine around.
Like what, like a foot away?
Yeah, because look, we know that it starts here, the pipe, and somewhere here it's broken. We don't know if it's broken inside the foundation, but the guess is that the pipe where it goes outside the foundation just went like this, it's sheared off. They didn't properly backfill the material, so that this material outside settled, and the concrete didn't settle, so it just sheared right there.
Yeah.
That's what we're hoping for. We also will dig it out, and it might not be there, it might be inside the building, and then we got to break the concrete.
How high is the water coming into the building?
The water's coming in over there into the building.
I see that blue.
Yeah, but it's going like this, but there's no tracer wire on it. I don't know what he sprayed. Lies.
Well, at least there's a shut-off.
Yeah, we have it. Yeah, we installed it.
Yeah. Okay. Let's expose that.
Why don't you move these things out of the way, start exposing the gas line, so that way we can see it for sure,
Yeah.
and then I'll bring the machine around. Dude, did you hit the gas line?
No.
It smells like gas. Why would you hit the gas line?
Why? I didn't hit any gas line.
I know you didn't. I'm just trying to make tension. You said you make tension. He said you wanted
Oh
tension.
no! I hit the gas line. What do we do now? I'm stressed. Let me go get a smoke. Because even this, like, don't get me wrong, they have to connect the goddamn pipes. It's not my property, but the landlord's pissed. Yeah, even the goddamn staircase. The first developer,
Yeah.
you can't see, but there's a rail. Fucking like destroyed it with a toolcat. Yeah, I'll come back. Well then, whatever, man. That's whatever. But at least this, it looks like shit. Again, it's not my property, but I'm trying to run a.
You want to run a decent business, right?
So is this ever gonna fucking open, man?
Well, they installed the sewer wrong. It broke, so we're trying to fix it. And the problem is, it's inside the building, but it's inside the wall, and we can't get to it from inside the building, even if we did do it. So we got to find a way how to do it from the outside.
Really?
So,
Never
okay.
ending, man.
No, what's up, sir? What are you doing?
Trying to pull it out.
Why?
Because it's broken.
Yeah, but it's not fully broken. It's fully broken?
It's not fully broken. I can't pull it out.
No, okay, but it's fine. So cut it off and let's see what's going on.
Got it
the opening?
Yeah, cut another one right there.
I can make it slit and try using a leverage from the wall.
Don't. We don't. We want to cut it nicely. If the bottom is not cracked, we don't want to break the pipe. So just...
No, it's broken it. I'm saying I'm going to cut another slit here.
No, just cut it all the way through.
Yeah?
Straight through. Okay, well, that's that. Get out.
What?
Out. They used the wrong pipe. Look, it's supposed to be SDR 28.
Yeah. What's this? SDR 35. What does 28 and 35?
The thickness, the wall thickness. It's
So
thin.
So this one is thicker.
Thinner. The gauge, you know, lower the gauge, the thicker
yeah.
the... Let's go, come on, take that out.
Take one out. It's a machine. The whole purpose of what we did now is...
No, I want the stone out. I'm gonna get
can you
the...
clean
I'll
the
do
water?
this part out so the water goes this way.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Let's switch the boots.
Sorry.
Can you bring a crowbar? I want to try shifting that pipe.
Don't shift anything because you'll break it. You just need to put that on.
Arches in.
Yeah. That's good.
How much is
You're good, sir.
the
Other repair coupling?
yeah.
Give me the measuring tape. That's all the way. Yeah.
Wait, let me see how much we need inside.
– 13 feet. You got it?
Yep.